crafty friends, it's Caroline, and I'm back today with a project share from my Not Too Shabby Box of the Month subscription. It is also my first project as a new Not Too Shabby Design Team member. Yay! It's also a part of the hashtag N2S Better Together hop. And this is a giveaway included in this. The prize is for a $25 gift card to the Not Too Shabby shop. Yay! And this will be open from January 1st all the way through January 7th. And the winner will be announced on the Not Too Shabby channel. I'll have links in the description notes below. To be eligible, the participants need to stop at each location on the hop, leave a comment, and then head to Rafflecopter to enter. And again, links in the description notes below. Now, the Box of the Month Club that is a subscription club that you can sign up for on Jamie's website. They sell out quickly. The only way to guarantee that you're going to receive the items in these monthly subscriptions is to actually subscribe. So I do highly recommend that you do that. Otherwise, you're gonna have to hop over really quick and make your purchase because like I said, they sell out really quickly and you'll see why once we get into this. Now, in this subscription, you get 2 paper pads, you get 3 stamp sets, and 2 packets of ephemera. This is what we're gonna be working with today, as well as the ephemera, and we'll open that up and get into that as well. And a few of the stamp sets. Look at these cute bunnies. Aren't they just adorable? I love this truck, this Loads of Love. I think these are going to be a lot of fun to play with. The other items in this kit that I'm not going to be working with today, but in a future video I will be working with, is the Best Friends collection. There is a matching ephemera packet as well as a stamp set that goes along with this as well. We're gonna put these aside for another project, and like I said, today we're gonna be working with these sweet little bunnies in the Somebody Loves Me collection. Today I'm going to be making a folio, and it is one that I've made before using Not Too Shabby papers. I've got a free cutting guide available on my website. You can download the PDF for that. Let's go ahead and fast forward through as a process video, and then we'll meet up at the end and show you what we came up with. I'm super excited.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. And I think to myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. All the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. me wanna try forever, and I feel so free. Oh my sweet baby.
And I think it is just so stinking cute. It's like a little purse, and on the front I chose to use the sentiment that says "Be My Valentine," and that was from the ephemera pack here. And then you just open it up like this. I trimmed down one of the other ephemera pieces that says "Take My Heart" to cover the inside portion there, and used an ephemera piece. It's like this little envelope here to cover my magnet. And then it just opens up down like this. And we've got a little place here for some journaling. I went ahead and created this as a tuck spot. So, you know, if you want to, you can slip a photo on here and use it as a photo mat and journal on the back. And then this just tucks right in here, another little piece of the ephemera. And then it opens down even farther. And we've got this cute little Cupid bunny here just floating down. Have another little journaling piece here that I created a tuck spot with the ephemera so that you can either add a photo or just journal on here. That slips right in here under our little Cupid bunny. He is so cute, isn't he? They're just adorable. And then this opens up. We've got another little place here to tuck for photos or journaling. And then we've got our cute little waterfall here. So stinking cute. Lots of room for photos. This all closes back up, has a little magnetic closure here that catches and holds it in place. And then on the bottom here, we've got our little pocket, another little tuck spot here with these little bunnies. Created a little tuck spot here underneath this piece of ephemera as well. And then this opens up either as a journaling card or maybe just a place to put your little love letter, right? And then it all folds back up like this. And it is just the most adorable little folio. I love it. Another really great thing about this is it fits inside of a standard bubble mailer. So if you wanted to, you know, package this up, put some photos of loved ones, something to send to a loved one, maybe that's not living nearby, just to, you know, happy Valentine's Day or whatever. And it will just slip right inside of a standard photo mailer. And then you can mail that out to them. What a great little gift for someone to receive. I am just loving it. I think he's super, super cute. Now, I did use 10 pieces of the 6x6 cardstock that came from the Somebody Loves Me collection. And these are my scraps that I've got right here. And on the 6th, I'm going to post a second video using these pieces and make some accompanying cards and just other little fun things to go along with our little Valentine gifts here. Now, you could easily make 2 of these folios from a single 6x6 collection, and you would still have 4 full-size pieces of paper left along with the scraps that you had that would make some really lovely scrappy cards too. I can't wait to start using these stamps. I think they're going to be a lot of fun to play with. My intention was to use them today, but I just had so much fun with the ephemera and the paper that we just went with that for our little folio here. And this is what I've got for you guys. I wish all of you a very happy and blessed and joyful new year. It is 2023. Oh my, oh me, I can't believe it. And Valentine's Day is just around the corner. If you haven't already subscribed to the subscription option for the monthly box at Not2Shabby, please follow the link in the description notes below and make sure you pick up yours and subscribe for the future ones so that you don't miss out on anything. They do sell out really fast, you guys. All right, y'all, I will be back here on Friday with some more projects from this collection. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you're being kind to yourselves, and I hope you are finding some joy in your journey. Thanks so much, everyone. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better.